डीपीएस एक ऐसी संस्थान है जिसमें एडमिशन लेने के लिए मैम हम लोग के पास भी बहुत पैरवी आती है. Before coming here, my son told me, "Mama, please keep your speech short." मुझे भी नहीं पता था while my journey will begin कि माइक पकड़ के इतना बोलना पड़ेगा. आपके अंदर में कितनी चाहत है कुछ किसी को जानने के लिए, अपनी इच्छा पूरी करने के लिए, अपने सपनों को पंख देने के लिए. अगर वो इच्छा आपके अंदर कभी मरती नहीं है तो 1000 बार भी अगर आप विफल होते हैं तब भी आपको आपकी मंजिल ज़रूर मिलती है. थैंक यू सो मच respected principal ma'am for that kind words while introducing me. First of all, respected principal Dr. Jaya Chauhan, along with that the esteemed dignitaries, respected the members of the Delhi Public School Ranchi Society, esteemed teachers, proud parents, dear alumni, and my dear students, Johar to all of you. And I think this is a very beautiful evening, not inside, but outside. When you go outside, such a pleasant weather outside. The same wise, here on the stage we have saw so much colors by their outfits, by their confidence, by their moves, by their vibes. So I just love it. I love to come back and I feel humbled. You gave me the honor to come to your school, not as a parent, but as a guest. that is a major thing for me. And before I start my views, I just want to tell you, before coming here, my son told me, "Mama, please keep your speech short." Well, why? Well, last time when you had at the sports competition, the sports, I think the event was there, you spoke a lot. So now I'll try, my son, I try to just keep it short. So this is like indeed a pleasure to me to be here in front of you, along with you, for this 37 glorious years of DPS. And I think this is a long journey. And a long journey, the foundation level to, I think, this new auditorium. From every inch of this school, many generations, they have been here, from toddlers to teenagers, and I think some of our alumni here also, they have all here memories. Memories in every corner of the school. Memories while having a teaching time, while having a leisure time, and while having on the fields also. So I think an institution doesn't become great because it's having a span of an acre of lands. I think the great institution is that where it is a site of your commitment, your dedication, your dreams, which you have felt, which you have dreamt about. Now, right now, you are living with it. I think, ma'am, it's whenever I just come to any school program, I just remind me of my childhood days in the schools, because it is like that. When the kids are performing on the stage, I used to be a performer while the dancers. गाना नहीं आता था, डांस का मूव करना आता था, पीटी करना आता था. So whenever there is a function, I was very much excited to be a part of the cultural program. And that is what each individual, being as a mother, parents, dignitaries, I think all the school staffs also, they felt like that. हम लोग जब भी किसी स्टेज में स्कूल में जाते हैं, किसी ना किसी के अंदर में कुछ कला होती है. नाचने की, गाने की, कुछ आर्ट बनाने की, कुछ वोकल होते हैं, स्टेज में आकर के माइक में बात करते हैं. दिस कीप ऑन इवॉल्विंग. मुझे भी नहीं पता था while my journey will begin कि माइक पकड़ के इतना बोलना पड़ेगा. एंड आई वॉज लिटरली वेरी बैड ऑन द पोडियम. कभी होस्ट करने का मौका नहीं मिला क्योंकि मे बी वो कैपेबिलिटी नहीं थी. बट बाय द टाइम व्हेन यू ग्रो इमोशनली, व्हेन यू ग्रो इंटेलेक्चुअली, ये लाइफ में दिस इज़ अ पैटर्न वेयर every day is a new day. Being as a mother, every day is a new day. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि learning makes you in such a way or you will always will remain as a student. हम लोग भी, चाहे आप भी, चाहे प्रिंसिपल मैम हो, टीचर्स हों, या हमारे भविष्य, हमारे बच्चे जो हों, वो आने वाले समय में कहीं पे भी पहुंच जाए, बहुत अच्छे ओहदे में रहे, बहुत अच्छे प्रोफेशन में रहे, लेकिन कभी भी ये याद रखिएगा, अपने आप को हमेशा स्टूडेंट ही समझिएगा. अगर जब तक अपने आप को आपने स्टूडेंट समझा है, यू विल हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी टू लर्न. और ज़िंदगी हमें हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया सिखाती है, चाहे वो खुशी की बात हो, चाहे वो तकलीफ की बात हो. और एवरी लाइफ इज़ लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर, सो यू हैव टू लिव योर लाइफ. एज दिस इज़ अ फाउंडेशन डे, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कंग्रेचुलेट ईच एंड एवरी प्रिंसिपल who led this foundation. I want to congratulate every teachers who have given their lifetime to nourish the young minds, and the parents who had the faith to choose this school, and every school staff along with the children who had chosen a new story to make the DPS proud and to make it more memorable, not only for the students but for the every citizen of the, especially the Ranchi. And we are very proud. We all are here to celebrate each and everything. And just I have a lot of paper here. I just want to express so many things, but I think in a very short of span of time, I just want to I want to extend my views in front of you. There is a one recent story which, like, it's a story you all know, but it's a story about, you all know about it. In 1903, you know about the Wright brothers. What they did? They made the world's first successful flying machine. But you will be amazed to know that they don't have that degree, the engineering degree. They don't have the experience how to make it. They had a cycle shop that was for the repairing. So the two brothers, they just dreamt about it. We want, this is our dream. And regularly in the daytime, it's a usual work for the repairing of the cycles, bicycles. But in the evening, the second half, they used to experiment, they question themselves, because this is our dream, we want to do something, not for us, but for the society. They tried. Again and again, they failed hundreds of times. And the people who were living around them, they were making a laugh of them. But they were not, they felt bad because the dream which they were thinking about, it's going far away. But that was their determination, their confidence, their dream. So after many hurdles, they got their success, and that changed everything in the humanity. And the experiment which they got, that was the first flying machine the aeroplane, which we will all talk about it. And right now, it is very common for the common people too. So what's the moral of the society? The moral of the society is innovation is not made inside a university. Innovation is not made just holding a degree. It's all about your curiosity. आपके अंदर में कितनी चाहत है कुछ किसी को जानने के लिए, अपनी इच्छा पूरी करने के लिए, अपने सपनों को पंख देने के लिए. अगर वो इच्छा आपके अंदर कभी मरती नहीं है तो 1000 बार भी अगर आप विफल होते हैं तब भी आपको आपकी मंजिल ज़रूर मिलती है. तो मैं ये समझती हूँ कि हमारे यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए नहीं है, ये हम बड़ों के लिए भी है. हम लोग भी हारते हैं, कभी हारेंगे अपने भावनाओं से, कभी हारेंगे अपनी इच्छाओं से, कभी हम लोग हारेंगे कि मैंने एक सपना देखा, मेरा वो सपना पूरा नहीं हुआ, मेरा ये एक एम था, मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचना चाहती थी, लेकिन ये मेरा पूरा नहीं हुआ. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें ये सिखाता है कि हमेशा जज्बे के साथ, पूरी शिद्दत के साथ, पूरे संपूर्ण विश्वास के साथ अपने सपनों पे डगे रहना है. अगल बगल वाले लोग आपकी पहली एक्सपेरिमेंट को, आपके सपने के ऊपर हंसेंगे, लेकिन आखिर में बगल में खड़े होकर के वही ज़ोर से तालियां बजाएंगे. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट. और मैम ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगी, मैं कुछ बातें कहना चाहती थी बिकॉज DPS एक ऐसी संस्थान है जिसमें एडमिशन लेने के लिए मैम हम लोग के पास भी बहुत पैरवी आती है. Honestly, the DPS institution had that reputation in academics, co-curricular activities, your holistic development. Ma'am, this is my thought. I just want to put it forward in front of you and all the people, because being as an educator you are, and being as an intelligent person you are, you have that mission to give to the society, which I can see you. Just we want your mentorship. Just can you choose our government schools here, not in the Ranchi, inside the Ranchi, across the capital of the Jharkhand, and along with the neighboring district also. So because you have a great team here, and choose schools and give us sessions to the teachers also, your experience, your technology, your grooming, which we need in our government schools also, and that is going to be maybe, and you can become a model school for all the rest of the schools, not only in the Jharkhand. I think that will be going to be a role model for every state also, like the DPS Ranchi has taken up a bold step to go along with the government schools of the Jharkhand, because we are the public person, so always, when I get an opportunity, I just ask for it. We are very fortunate to be here, and I'm just impressed. My son here, this is only his 2nd year, so I think he's very happy and he's very excited, and I just want every children of the Jharkhand to be educated in such a way where our society, they can have their education in an AI way, or they can make their dream, they can have their, go to the astronomy, they can teach, you can make a teaching about the education for especially the literacy for the children. They have to take their own decisions. Nowadays is all about the differences which we can think. Right now we are into that generation where you can get anything on like this. So like if you need food, just you have to tap. You need clothing, you have to tap. You have to book your tickets, you have to tap. So everything is going so fast, like so many we spend so much time on the reels and just we do like that. I can see, I just met a newborn baby also, like 2 to 3 years toddlers. I think that thing coming is like they know just if I'll do this, the new video will come up, and that is only for the few seconds. So just there should be a collaborations. Like I want you to make innovation and the pre-incubation center, which I know, that should be where the children can learn the design thinking, where they can make a model where this is a DPS student is not to be reminded as a state topper of the Jharkhand, but that should be recognized as a student who has planned a medical free services in the society, and that is a student in the Jharkhand, in the DPS. And there is one innovator who can invent a AI model to educate the rural area, and that we can say, oh, that student is from the DPS Ranchi. And any other student who can make an entrepreneur maybe, who can create a jobs while staying in the school itself, and he or she can be recognized as a student of the DPS Ranchi. I need, because we have to grow fast. We are in an age where everything is on your fingertips. So just we want our education system, and you are so much privileged for us in a state where we can proudly say we have a DPS Ranchi in our state. So many topper students are there, great athletes are there, so many leaders are there. I think this is going to be like my few suggestions to you, and I conclude my words in 1 or 2 minutes. At the end, I just want to congratulate each and every student, each and every teachers, each and every parents, the non-teaching and the non-teaching staff, and all the dignitaries who are present here, and just giving a kind attention to my words also, and especially the greatest to the head of the school, respected principal ma'am, Dr. Ma'am, I really appreciate you. I am very much happy to be here with all of you again. And the best wishes to all the fighters. I'm not saying the winners. It's a fight within yourself. आजकल की हमारी लड़ाई दूसरों से नहीं होती है, हमारी लड़ाई अपने से ज़्यादा चल रही होती है. वो लड़ाई जिसे मुझे लगता है कि आज मैंने शायद 2 घंटा मोबाइल में दे दिया जस्ट वाइल स्क्रोलिंग द रील्स, लेकिन उस लड़ाई को कौन रोक सकता है? उस लड़ाई को सिर्फ आप खुद रोक सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो जो रील्स में 2 घंटे गए हैं, उस एनर्जी को, आपका गया हुआ वक्त वापस कभी नहीं आ सकता है. अपने उस जाने वाले वक्त को अगर सही तरीके से उपयोग करना है तो आपको उस 2 घंटे को घटा करके पहले 1 घंटा लाइए, फिर आधा घंटा लाइए, फिर 15 मिनट लाइए, अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करिए. दिस इज़ ऑल आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर योर all kind attentions, and I congratulate all of you. It's going to be nearly about the 4 decades. The simple question must be there. It's not what we have achieved here within the 37 years of span, 37 years. I think the question must be such in a way what we are going to see in the upcoming 40 years. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय झारखंड, जोहार.
रॉयल इंडिया में आपका स्वागत है. भारत के सबसे विश्वसनीय सोलर मोटर पंप और एमपीपीटी कंट्रोलर निर्माता. रॉयल इंडिया का हाई परफॉर्मेंस मूवेबल ट्रॉली सोलर वाटर पंपिंग सिस्टम प्रस्तुत है. बेहतर दक्षता के लिए डिजाइन किया गया और आसानी से ले जाने योग्य. सरकारी परियोजनाओं के लिए अनुमोदित देश भर के कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स और एजेंसियों की पहली पसंद. एमएनआरई द्वारा अनुमोदित, उल प्रमाणित, उद्योग मानकों के अनुरूप स्वदेशी उत्पाद. सार्थक ऊर्जा समाधान के लिए हमारे साथ साझेदारी करें. आज ही संपर्क करें.